all these springs off this guy, and then we'll be ready to remove the single and put the double in. Out with the single. Let's get this muffler off here, and then we'll get the box of twins on here. Little muff pot there. That right there is the best thing a man can have on the trail. Probably still got snow in it. No, it's dry. If you don't know about this, whew, you're missing out. Best thing on a cold sled ride is a hot meal. And that right there will do it. That is going back on. For sure, going back on. Definitely not going to take that off and leave it off. Let's get this muff pot off. Break it. Alright, let's get some springs pulled off of this guy. A little bead of silicone around her, seal her up. All right, that's done. All right, now we gotta pull that Y pipe off from there. Here, get that Y pipe off, that little guy right there. Get ready to put the twins on her. Right there. Almost got them in there. Bring it along for the install here. Trying to get them lined up and in there. A lot of pipe to be sticking underneath the hood here. You guys are not going to get to see, but a little dab down here. There, got them all scooped it up. I got to put the cover back on, and I have to trim this piece right here. I trim this piece right here out because it's hitting right there. So trim that out. Just rubbing here on this corner too. I don't know if that's going to cause an issue or not, so we may have to heat that up and moosh that in a little bit. But first things first, let's cut this, see if we can get the hood closed, and get back at it. I'm gonna grab me some shears and start cutting that. Sensor, I gotta mount that guy up, but the exhaust is in, man. Ready to rock and roll with the twins on the 800 Dragon. Let's see if I can start it from the freaking ground here. 14-to-1 compression. Remember, like, subscribe, more of this and that, and my boy's sled. That right there, y'all want to stay tuned for that. I'm gonna tell you right now, that right there, you guys are gonna want to stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a wild, epic build. You never know. She may end up with one of them there spoolie boys and whoop, 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 you know what I'm saying? You never know, guys, never know. You know, hit that like, man. Throw a comment down there. Should we turbo it? Should we go back fuel injected? Should I find a motor? Should I find another 800? Or should I use that old school 94 technology 700? I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Throw some likes and subscribes down there, you know. Ring that bell and you'll get to see this kind of crazy shenanigans and what's to come. These things will be on the slope. They will be hitting the hills. We'll be wrecking them. We'll be, I mean, you name it. I plan on ripping that hood completely off of the sled this year. That is my goal. If I ain't breaking this sled this year, I'm just not riding hard enough. So man, throw them likes, subscribes, and we'll make it happen. We'll even catch it on video so you all can ride with us. Y'all be right there with us while we're destroying these things. All right, thanks a lot. See you. Let two spirits say.